Are they talking to him or what?
They're telling him, get out of the fucking water. You know?
Do you need me? 100 euro a second. Christ.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go.
He's taking a piss, huh? They should stay. They didn't come with their baby suit, the police.
He's got his dick out for the world to see. Incredible.
Yeah, that's his pants. For
Yeah,
him.
bro, put your fucking drawers on, boy.
I think he's drunk. Huh?
He's drunk. He's off his fucking. He's off his face.
Dai, tu che cara io. I think he's.
That's the best.
He's not going to get out of the water, I'm not telling you that right now. Oh, he's put his underwear on.
And where's the red one? Where's the red top?
In the fucking water. Look at it.
Hello.
He slapped him. Instead of just grabbing hold of him, they slap him across the face.
They shouldn't slap him.
They slapped him. They slapped him. He's going to get up. Oh, I'm filming this. It's my constitutional right.
Yes.